I'm trying something different today with 2 cameras through Wi-Fi. So yeah, with a good microphone at least. So this should work. This should definitely work. So let's try to unbox this thing I got today. Yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. Uh, this is a Mückenstecker UV light insect killer. So the UV light doesn't actually kill the insects. There's probably high voltage wiring here. So when the insects are trying to fly into the light, they touch the wires, I mean those conductors, and they electrocute themselves. So for that, 220 volts, maybe it's enough. So maybe 220 is directly connected to those parts and that's enough. But yeah, maybe there's a capacitor or something to increase the voltage, transformer, whatever. Let's see inside. This was only $1. That's the good part. I only buy $1 stuff. It was at 75% discount at Kaufland. So yeah, it's still sealed. Come on. Can a screwdriver break the seal? Yep. Okay, let's see. Here's, ooh, it's a big thing. It's quite big. So let's see. Here's a piece of cardboard, just like that, for some reason, in the box. So you can write high voltage on it, so people don't touch it. Here's a PDF online, whatever. Instructions in many languages that don't really matter. You just plug it in. There's no button on this. Oh, there's a button. Sorry. So on, off, and to be turned on. Oh no, 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 no. This is for the light sensor. So I figured it out. The manual is useless. So this is with the light sensor, this is off, and this is just on. So it doesn't detect the light. And yeah, this is kind of interesting. So what else can we see? If it focuses. Yeah, it says 0.36 watts right there. MyProject, that's the brand. You can take something off here. Oh, this is the tiny little container in which the bugs will fall. Well, that's optimistic. You'd rather chop off this bottom half and have the bugs fall out, and then some bird will eat it or something else. Yeah. That's kind of cute. I mean, 3 mosquitoes could fall into this and it's full. But yeah, I'm being mean. This is practical if you empty it every day. So this is a warning sign. Literally a warning sign. Does great warning, the lamps in this appliance could be replaced. Cannot be replaced. Yeah, it's not a lamp or they are LEDs, come on. Okay. Simple Phillips head screws. That's what I like. No security here. Oh, maybe there's one here under this sticker. Yeah. I knew it was too good to be true. So let's take this off and let's take it apart. There's probably a screw under that sticker. And if they see that, no warranty for you. So yeah. But at $1 price, I don't think I'm going to spend time taking this back under warranty. I mean, the trip back cost more than $5. $1. Sorry. 5 lei. $1. Our local currency is 5 times stupider than the dollar. So yeah. 4 screws are out. I mean, yeah. This switch is worth $1. This switch and this plug. So let's see if it comes apart. It comes apart. Ooh. I haven't plugged it in yet. So nothing should be charged here. But normally this may be dangerous. So what experts suggest is to short these two conductors. Make sure there's no electricity between them. And yeah, let's take it apart. They are under the sticker. Where are they mounted? Or it just comes out? It just comes out. That's interesting. So this is the light sensor on the top. And this whole thing comes out. How very interesting. That's kind of awesome. Yeah, some capacitors and yeah, a lot of stuff is in there. But no transformer. A fuse. Okay. Yeah. And what I want to see... Yeah, those are for the LEDs. Probably for low voltage. And yeah, I don't see anything special in there. No chips at all. Yeah, maybe this four-legged fellow here. That does something. That's a transistor, and that is probably something like that. It does more than just a two-legged fellow. But yeah, this seems all fine inside. What I want to test if these contacts go directly to 220 volts. That's all I want to test. Because at this price, I don't know what solution they used to get high voltage at those conductors that will zap the bugs. And they are really close, and that's good. So even the smallest flies and whatever, if they get here close, they will get zapped. That's great. So, yep, this works. And let's see if they go directly to the... Nope. They don't go directly. So, it's through capacitors and stuff, just as I expected. And it will probably charge up. It doesn't need to have the maximum voltage all the time. So only when the bug is approaching, then it's good to have the capacitor. So this is blown. What? This is a fuse. No, it's okay. Okay, so everything seems fine here. We should just put it back together. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it was in on mode. So in on mode, if the wires were connected directly, then it should have beeped. So yeah, that's fine. This I like. I like this design. I rarely like this cheap crap that I buy, but this, I think it's awesome. So let's try to put it back together somehow. Come on. What is... Something is not going to its place. But it is. This is how it should be. Something got in the way. Some wires. Nope. It's all pushed in. Like that. It should go in. Yeah. Whatever. Now it went in. Okay. Let's put it back together. And yeah, I don't have a outlet nearby that I can plug it into on camera. But I'll let you know in the comments if it works. I'm really interested. I'll put it outside maybe. And yeah. So my idea about this is that this should have a large plate under the device as it stands here, like that. Should have a plate so birds can come and eat the fried bugs that fall out of the machine. That would be ideal. Then you don't have to clean up just the bird poop. So yeah. But at least you don't have to deal with the bugs. I hate bugs. Bird poop you can wash away, but the bugs, those, yeah, those are nasty. So yeah, I think if it works, this is worth $4, the original price. This is worth $4, even if you're just using the parts of it. The switch and the connector and some LEDs. These are infrared LEDs. So yeah, this is really nice for $1. Really, really nice.